So a while ago I was given this little hand vise. The jaws were in pretty poor shape, so I cleaned them up in the milling machine. Of course, when you close these jaws, they don't actually come together parallel. So I'm not really sure how useful they are really. But then it occurred to me, maybe we could put in a little swivel jaw somehow that would rotate and align with the work. This is a 5mm drill, so maybe if we can put a 5mm semicircular hole down there, we can fit a piece of bar and attach to it a jaw or a piece of plate, so we have a swiveling jaw. So that's what we're going to try and do. So this is cast iron, and I've got a bit of scrap cast iron of another job, which actually fits in there quite nice. And actually in that size, that width there, does actually bring those jaws parallel. So we'll use this and we'll get set up. It doesn't look too bad. I need to square it up. Oh, that's actually pretty good. Maybe up slightly. Just try a bit of packing in there. And that's about it. That's a bit off. That looks like it'll do it. I've got a 5mm pin in the chuck. Try and get it somewhere near. Think about there. Got my packing in. Looks good. I think I'll support that in a little bit with a jack. Okay. Here goes nothing. Could have maybe been further this way, but never mind. We'll take it there. Whoa. Right, it's getting to be a weirder and weirder setup. I found a couple of bits of bar, I've clamped them behind that block to keep it in place. So hopefully it'll not move. Try and finish that centre drill. Well, we're hitting the clamp now, so we'll need a longer one. It's looking good. Right, we'll take it easy. It's slower. Not looking too bad. Starting to break through. Ah, it's looking good. It's absolutely blowing a gale out there the day. Anyway, I've got a couple of pins, 5mm diameter, and a couple of bits of flat, so that actually fits in there quite nice. So the idea is I'll silver solder that flat piece onto there. I'll have to file a flat on the pin first. So that looks like it's going to work fine. So I'm making two, so I'm making a plain one. I thought I might as well, while I'm at it, make one with a V groove in for holding a wrong bar. Okay then, let's get set up for some silver soldering. Got some flux on. Looks like I've got a bit of a dirty nozzle on the torch. So I've just had it soaking in some brick cleaner, which is hydrochloric acid. It's okay for mild steel. If you've got parts that are medium or high carbon steel, then don't use any brick cleaner or hydraulic acid type cleaners, because the material can suffer from hydrogen embrittlement. But anyway, we're just going to give it a bit of a fire up and see if it still fits. Oops, yeah, it still fits. Oh, that's good. Happy with that. Right, just get the other one done. Right, that's looking good. Just need to stop it from falling out. So I think we'll just drill for a little grip screw and put a slot in the pin. So that still swivels, and it won't come out. Looking good. Okay, I've given it a bit of a polish up. Got some V-grooves in this jaw here. I've got a spare jaw. Probably didn't need to make that really, but never mind. I made up a spherical washer set. So we can clamp onto some flat bar. Get around. And some very thin material. Yeah, quite happy with that. I think that's an improvement. Makes it more useful.